Hey, welcome again to Decent T&C. If it is your first time to subscribe, like and share this video. The city of Kigali has commenced construction of 10 roads in different parts of the capital. The roads are part of the Kigali Infrastructure Project KIP to build a 215 km road network and several bridges by 2024, according to Merard Mpabwanamaguru, City of Kigali's vice mayor in charge of urbanisation and infrastructure. The construction works, comprising 70 kilometers, was launched on November 24 and is part of Phase 2 of the project. The roads include UTEXRWA Kagugu Road, Rwinyana Village Road, Remera-Baho-RDB Road, Migina Controle Technique Road, and Mulindi Gasogi Kabuga Road. They also include Busanza Muyange Road, Kagarama Muyange Road, Sonatubes-Sahara Road, Miduha-Mageragere Road and Rugenge-Muhima hospital-Nyabugogo. Our staff is on the site during working hours to facilitate those who might need any support. Sometimes people will be asked to use deviation roads due to these construction works, the city informed the public. Over 2,009 households might be expropriated to pave the way for construction activities, city officials said. Emmanuel Katabawa, the city engineer, said in an earlier interview with the New Times, that, "We plan to complete the roads by the end of this fiscal year, at the end of June next year, but sometimes we face other challenges such as heavy rains, features of some roads, among others that can derail the construction progress." Katabawa added that another planned road in this phase is Zindiro Masizi Barembo Kami Gasanze Road, which stretches for 10.4 kilometers, and that it is already under design. In total, 21 sections of roads could be constructed this fiscal year. Meanwhile, the city engineer said Giporoso Kabuga Highway will be expanded under the project by Rwanda Transport Development Agency, RTDA. Studies are being carried out for this project. All such connected roads will significantly reduce congestion in bigger roads, he said. According to estimates from the Ministry of Infrastructure, it costs RWF 600 million to construct a kilometer of standard road, asphalt concrete roads with durable surface materials. Flyovers. The city of Kigali has announced plans to construct 43 new flyovers and 4-lane roads so as to ease congestion across the capital. A flyover is a bridge or road that carries a road over another, while a 4-lane road is a highway with 2 lanes for traffic in each direction. Katabawa noted that due to budget constraints, however, they will have to start with priorities. There is a big issue of vehicle congestion, especially in road junctions. We have identified 43 junctions where it is not easy to move from one road to another. We have to expand the junctions and construct flyovers. But as we face budget constraints, we start with priorities, he said. He cited plans to construct flyovers in Giporoso Prince House to Kabuga, because there is a project to expand big roads with 4 lanes that enter into Kigali city. One example is that of Gahunga Sonatube. We will expand Nyabarongo Kanogo Road with 4 lanes and studies have started, he said.